Hi, I'm Henrietta. For today's Crafty Kids, we are continuing with Mexican heritage. Today I'm going to create a Ojos De Dios, which also means eyes of God. For today's craft, you're going to need popsicle sticks, or you can get some sticks from the tree. And you're going to get some yarn. You can use assorted colors. And also you're going to need a plastic needle, which will help you strand the needle at the end. You can also use a hot glue gun if you want to, or you can tie a knot. This is what we are going to create today. To start, you're going to go ahead and create a knot. You can do 2 knots here. You can cut your extra yarn here, or you can hide it within your craft. I'm going to go ahead and cut a little bit. And then you're going to go over with your yarn, and you're going to probably put about 3 or 4 knots over, and then the other side you're gonna put it underneath, and you're gonna go over the other side, and also do about 4 knots. 1, 2, and 3. So you're gonna go under the craft stick, and where your yarn is here, you can layer it next to it. You're going to go under. You're going to go also layer it into the following yarn. Then you're going to go under, over, under. Get your other yarn that you're going to add, and what you're going to do is you're going to tie a knot. You can try to get it lower to the craft stick. And make about 2 knots. 1 and 2. So you can also cut the pieces that are too long. Okay, and then you're going to continue what you are doing. So this is where we tied the knot. Then layer your yarn next to the other one. You're going to go under. Then you're going to go over. You want to go ahead and put your yarn. You're going to go ahead and finish it up by, you can grab your yarn and you can make 2 rounds like and then you can turn it upside down. If you have a hot glue gun, you can also use that. You can put a little bit on here. Oh, I turned it off. For more craft ideas, visit creativebug.com. sign up with a library card and a PIN number. Feel free to post your craft or suggestions in the comment sections below. Thank you for watching today's episode of Crafty Kids. See you next time.